Hey guys, Nova here, and I'm back with some more Left 4 Dead 2, and my friend Black Ops is joining me again.
Hi.
And here we are with the next campaign, which is Hard Rain. No pun intended. And we're just gonna get started.
Oh, that's funny. The pun is kinda intended. For most people out there, just say yes.
And Black Ops doesn't even know how to spell the word art.
A-R-T.
Wrong.
Always say art.
This should be easy. You just need to grab some diesel.
You want to hear a prediction? No, there's not going to be any gas.
Oh, it still
Yeah, always
has that
wanted to be an axe murderer.
And we left the guns behind.
Dun, dun, dun.
We left the gun bag with Virgil. I've been asking them questions.
I'm just gonna go on break because I'm tired.
Hope you don't mind, I'm gonna take this first aid kit here.
But, of course, this little girl here just had to switch.
Oh shoot! She had to switch her guns.
Yeah. She switched her guns. Now,
Watch out!
And are you gonna come back?
yeah, I'm just...
Hey, I'm reloading.
Because I don't want this to be a solo for me
I'm
again.
taking my medicine, and this is making me creepy.
Oh, okay.
You know the side effects of medicine.
Yeah.
Dude, I'm taking most of the hits.
Oh, speak of the devil.
Rochelle, do you even know how to use a sword?
No, stupid zombie. No. Yee.
Whee!
Yep, I got sent flying.
It would be funny if the tank just punched you out of the map and you died.
And then we would have to like start all over.
Hey guys, it's that guy again.
Nova.
It's Nova Jinx 75 here. And
That's not
yada,
what
yada,
I don't
yada.
even sound like that, you ding dong.
Hey, like I said, the medicine is kicking in.
Guns right here.
Yay, more guns.
Hey!
Bio bomb incoming.
Reloading!
Time to draw all these guys out.
Grenade!
Don't kill the zombies, you idiots! I had a pipe bomb to solve the problem.
Well, I'm gonna listen to some copyrighted music.
Well, turn it down.
No, I have headphones. I'm fine.
Well, do that. Yeah, Black Ops is taking a break. I hope he comes back.
Reloading here.
We can cut through this garage sale.
This is a good time to heal. Come on, dog. None of that. Gotta try and heal myself.
Are you kidding me? 2 propane tanks and the witch doesn't die. No, I do not. I'm gonna heal up.
Can somebody wait up? I gotta heal.
Break time.
My character's doing nothing.
How did Coach get down?
I don't know.
Shotgun.
All right, thanks. I can walk this shit
Reloading.
Wait here.
Come at me, freaks.
Grabbing fire in a bottle, baby.
Hunter. Jockey.
Right there. Hey, run, man! This is crazy shit.
Reloading.
Reloading.
Sorry, sir. Rochelle, get in here.
I'm thinking we can take on anything.
Bum, 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 bum. I hope there's a shotgun for me to take.
Like Dr. Nick takes you out.
That's gonna have to do.
Oh yeah.
Leave some supplies here because gotta end up returning.
Hey, we ain't going no further on this road. Let's get through the mill.
Die. And there's this is gonna be the sugar mill with a bunch of witches.
Reload.
This rain doesn't look like it's gonna let up.
Yay, I successfully popped one of the witches.
Reloading.
Go to Molotov.
Yeah, not gonna deal with that.
Reloading. We got lucky. Grabbing a pipe bomb.
Reloading.
Huh, we got that far already.
Yep.
For some reason, Rochelle now is just a pistol.
Reload.
She only has a pistol.
Yeah.
She has a rifle.
She still has that rifle.
Yep. I'm gonna pop this witch.
Up that ramp. Reloading. Bill's here.
Reloading.
Keep me for a bit.
How many goddamn witches are there?
Maybe the rain is bringing them out.
Fire in the hole.
Oh my god! I shot her right in the face.
Hey, thanks, man.
Oh my goodness.
Fixed me up real good.
Okay, I don't think I'm gonna pop them anymore.
Hey, some guns here.
Do not come in here, witch.
Reloading. Hey, watch out!
Code, you idiot!
Get up, get up! Hey, you bet. I'll snipe.
Alright, time to switch guns.
I'm a snipe.
I won't be able to crown these girls anymore. Pop these girls.
Nick, you ever seen so many witches? Holy shit.
No. And no one's gonna save Nick.
Oh, I knew you'd be okay.
Alright then.
Reloading.
Still amazing I still have that rifle.
I'm reloading.
Nothing else.
Yikes.
Yikes.
Reloading. Reloading.
I hit it.
Alright, there's the gas station.
Oh, coach is dead.
Really?
Did you see what happened to him? He got charged all the way down there.
Yeah, that'll be.
So it's gonna take us a while to get to him. Nick? He teleported to him. So it's just me and your AI. Okay, elevator's here. Get in, people.
Hey, road girl, heal up now.
Take this.
And there's a hunter near us.
I can walk this off.
You are on fire today.
Reloading.
Hey, can somebody wait up? I gotta heal.
Stop.
Let's heal up and then
Oh,
keep
yeah.
moving.
Oh yeah.
Just take it. Thanks.
I'm just gonna book it. No! That was not the time for errors to pop up. Die! You stupid zombies. Oh my Coach, kill the witch! Oh my god. Die.
I'm reloading.
This here's all we got.
Coach, you are such a moron. If you had saved me from that jockey, none of this would have happened.
Hey, I need everybody inside now.
Get in, you two.
Kid, get inside. That was a pretty full display.